Show you how to add a page. So probably I've added like a plugin for that that'll basically duplicate a page that's already created. So say you want to duplicate the leadership and consulting page, you can do it a couple. You can duplicate it a couple of ways. So right now we're signed in, logged in on the front end of your site. So if you come up here to edit page, you see duplicate this as draft. You can click that, and what that'll do, you'll see now that you have two leadership and consulting pages. This one is the first one that was created, and this is the duplicate of that. So it's labeled as draft. So what you would want to do, you want to edit that. You can see it has the number 2 because it's a duplicate. So you would change it to whatever title that you want the page to have. And what I would also recommend would be changing this permalink here to match whatever title you have, and click OK. Edit this to be whatever title you have or whatever you wanted to say. Save that. Edit the text box. Okay. Say you want to delete everything, then you can just add the new stuff. Then you would save it, preview it. See, we have new page title. Here's the text I added. Okay, so once you're ready to add it, you just click this publish here. And now it's live. But one thing you'll notice, you don't see it in the menu. So we'll need to add that to the menu. So in order to do that, you would go to hover over this, your Dr. Ross, and come down and click menus. And then you see here is the new page created. I'm going to place a check mark and then add to menu. Once it's there, we're going to save it. And now if we refresh the site, see that we have the new page title there. So yeah, you can reorder these however you like by just clicking and dragging. But yeah, I'll go ahead and delete that now. And refresh, it's gone. Okay, yeah, the other way to duplicate a page, if you are in the dashboard, you can go to all pages here, and then just hover over a particular page you want to duplicate, and then you just click duplicate this, and then it'll do the same thing as the first way we did it. Go ahead and delete this now. Okay, I think another thing you wanted to look at was the font, changing the fonts. So we go to appearance, we go down to revolution options, and we'll go to topography. Heading. I think I have all the headings now set to Francis 1, but you can they have a number of fonts you can change it to. Yeah, you can change the headings here. Let's see. You can change the sizes here. Font families here is where you can change the like over here it displays the information um, what you're actually changing. So this is the primary font, but this is mainly like the headings, but we can control it on this tab. Secondary font, I think that's mainly like the paragraph. This is the menu font. This is the mobile menu font. This is the button font. So you can just go in and change it to whatever you like. But one thing I want to mention is this is actually controlled by the revolution slider. It's not controlled by these, and I'll show you that right now. So right here, slider revolution, you want to click that. And here you see we have 3 sliders. This is the home page slider for desktop and tablet and that sort of thing. I had to create a different one for the mobile, and I can delete this one. We're not using this one, but these two here are the sliders that we actually use. So let's say you wanted to change your picture for this. You click on the pencil icon. All right, scroll down. Here is where you would actually change the text. Just highlight it. Here, change the size here. You can change the font family. So a lot of different fonts in this one as well. And for the little blurb, you do that the same way. As far as changing like this background image of you would do that here. Click in media, and then you can upload something from your computer. Select files, and then just find something to upload, and then it'll add it to this library here, and then you can select the image you want to add and then insert it here, and then it will insert it on this background. And once it's inserted, you want to save it here at this top green button. So let's say you wanted to change the mobile image that you have. Click the pencil here. This one's a little different. I think it's a little different. Maybe not. No, maybe not. But yeah, if you wanted to change this, you would do it the same way. Media library, then upload something new, and then it will save it to the library, and then you can just select it here, and then insert, and then save.